Hi, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make this cursor, this Windows 10 or Windows 11 cursor to be bigger, especially you are doing presentation or video recording. You want this cursor to be bigger, how to do it. First, you go to your Windows icon, go to settings. Okay, go to settings. Go to accessibility. Accessibility. Scroll down, look for mouse. Okay, mouse, and then you go and look under this one, related settings mouse. Okay, you scroll down. Wait, let me check. Where is it? Oh, this one. Mouse pointer and touch. Okay, mouse pointer and touch, and then you go to size. Okay, then you see this mouse cursor pointer is bigger now. Bigger. Okay, bigger. So I'm going to stick to this and then I'm going to close this, and you see mouse cursor is now bigger. Yeah, the mouse pointer. If you like the video, please click the like button and subscribe to my channel. And you want to change it back to normal, just adjust. Okay, back to this one, and it's back to normal. Okay, adjust. Yeah, this is the one that you go and adjust accordingly. Okay, there you go. Adjust accordingly. Yeah. So do share with others if you find this helpful, and like and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.